like that spiral there. So here we can see I used, looks like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 laminated planks, probably of pine is my guess. I would like to clean off all the shellac or varnish, lighten the whole thing up if I can do that. Maybe then put linseed oil on it. Might be a challenge with all the incised sections here and there. It could actually make it interesting if I have lighter on the parts that are kind of forward and the inset sections remain dark. Anyway, there you have it, my first wood carving. All I need now is to finally build the clipper ship I've been talking about building for decades and head for Bora Bora and Tahiti, do some warm South Pacific gefilte fishing. Gefilte fishing, nice getaway from Seattle's wintry ice, snow, rain, wind, and all that. There you have it.